Hey! Welcome back to the channel. Ready to feel amazing? Boost your energy, clear your skin, and transform your life, all with the power of plant-based living. Today, we're diving into how embracing a plant-based diet can unlock your vibrancy and revolutionize your well-being. Let's get started. We all know the journey to a healthier lifestyle can be daunting. The idea of switching to a plant-based diet might seem overwhelming at first. You might be worried about what to eat, how to balance your meals, or even how to handle social situations. But don't worry, today, I'll break it all down and make the transition smooth and exciting for you. Now, let's talk about what makes plant-based eating so incredible. This lifestyle is all about embracing nutrient-rich foods that can transform your health. Picture this, by swapping in fresh, vibrant fruits and veggies, along with protein-rich legumes and wholesome grains, you're fueling your body with top-notch nutrition. Not only do these foods taste amazing, but they also boost your energy, support clear skin, and enhance your overall vitality. Hear about people who have completely transformed their lives by going plant-based. They've experienced skyrocketing energy levels, clearer skin, and an overall boost in vitality. Imagine yourself feeling more alive and vibrant every day. This could be your reality too. The benefits aren't just about how you look, it's about how you feel and thrive every day. In conclusion, plant-based living is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle that can lead to better health, increased energy, and a more compassionate way of living. By choosing plant-based foods, you're not only nourishing your body but also contributing to a healthier planet and a more humane world. If you're ready to unlock your vibrancy and dive into the magic of plant-based living, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips, recipes, and inspiration. Check out the description below for exclusive resources to kickstart your plant-based journey. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear how this lifestyle is transforming your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.